Welcome to GN Virtual Classes. We are going to understand what is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the process of recording, organizing, and managing all the financial transactions of a business. It involves keeping track of everything that comes into and goes out of a business, like sales, purchases, receipts, and payments. Here's a detailed explanation. 1. Recording transactions. What to record? Bookkeepers record every financial transaction that occurs within a business. This includes money coming in, like sales revenue, and money going out, like expenses, salaries, rent, and utilities. How to record? These transactions are usually recorded in a book called journal or in digital software designed for bookkeeping. Each transaction is recorded with the date, amount, and a brief description. 2. Organizing transactions. Ledgers. After recording transactions, bookkeepers organize them into categories. These categories are kept in ledgers, which are specific records for each type of transaction. For example, there might be a ledger for sales, another for expenses, and another for payroll. Double entry system. Bookkeeping often uses a system called double entry bookkeeping. In this system, every transaction is recorded in at least two places, once as a debit and once as a credit. This helps ensure accuracy and balance in the financial records. 3. Managing financial records. Balancing accounts. Bookkeepers regularly check the records to make sure everything adds up correctly. This is known as balancing the books. If the books don't balance, it could indicate an error that needs to be corrected. Preparing reports. Bookkeepers prepare financial reports that summarize the business's financial situation. These reports help business owners and managers understand how the business is doing financially and make informed decisions. 4. Importance of bookkeeping. Legal compliance. Accurate bookkeeping is essential for complying with tax laws and regulations. It ensures that a business reports the correct income and pays the right amount of tax. Financial health. By keeping detailed records, bookkeeping helps a business monitor its financial health. It shows how much money the business has, how much it owes, and how much it's making or losing. 5. Tools for bookkeeping. Manual systems. Traditionally, bookkeeping was done by hand using paper ledgers. While some small businesses still use this method, it is less common today. Software. Nowadays, most businesses use bookkeeping software like QuickBooks, Xero, or other accounting programs. These tools make it easier to record transactions, organize them, and generate reports. 6. Who does bookkeeping? Bookkeepers. The person responsible for bookkeeping is called a bookkeeper. Bookkeepers need to be detail-oriented and organized, as they handle a lot of data. Accountants. While bookkeepers record and organize financial data, accountants usually interpret that data, prepare financial statements, and give advice on financial matters. In smaller businesses, these roles might overlap. Conclusion. Bookkeeping is a fundamental part of running a business. It keeps the financial side of the business organized and ensures that the business can track its financial performance, comply with laws, and make informed decisions. Even though it may seem complex, with the right tools and knowledge, bookkeeping can be a manageable and essential task for any business. Please subscribe to GN Virtual Classes for more lessons on commerce subjects.